I'm getting this annoying warning regarding the servicing on my BMW, and I want to see if the MUCAR 892BT is able to sort out that little one. It is a service reset. So what we need to do, if you want to follow along, this is what I have on the screen. Next to this little thing, especially when you're doing work without the engine running, be mindful of the voltage that you see on your vehicle. When you're seeing 11 volts, it's either time to start the engine or you should have a battery support unit helping you along, especially if you want to keep the diagnostics running for a long period of time. Special function, maintenance. Let's go with CBS reset and see what is happening with this one. It changed my time and date because I don't have the right time and date on this one. It changed it over there. Here we see availability of our resources. Engine oil looks okay. Vehicle check is the one that is annoying me. Statutory inspection deactivated. So which one is it? The one that is annoying me. I usually do it with BMW Ista, and as you might have noticed, okay, so by the looks of it, brake fluid, I'm looking at that one. Brake fluid needs doing, and it's possible that what I was seeing on the cluster is its way of telling me that I need to address that one. Front brake, rear brake, brake fluid. This one we click on it, but by the looks of it we need to click F4. BMW has this way of showing you the availability of a resource. So the lower the number, the less of that resource that you have. As we're able to see, the software is doing its stuff. And we are also changing the values that we are having. The front brakes, I've done them and I've inspected them. I have new brake discs and decent brake pads. So we can reset this one too. I want to go after F2. Okay. If the CBS reset is not accepted, carry out troubleshooting. Okay, continue. Sometimes if the resource is under a certain value, it doesn't allow you to do it. You need to change the sensors. It's a strange way that they are doing it. So by the looks of it, it didn't allow me to do it. I've also done rear brakes recently. Let's do it like this. Let's try it on the SC control unit. Did not perform rear brake pass. Parking brake actuator and or brake paddle pressed. Release the parking brake and secure the vehicle against rolling. Well, I think that we have this little problem. The parking brake is engaged. At the same time, it should be working on the front. Let's try it one more time. Ignition on. Rear brakes. F3. I don't really want to change the brake sensors. Yay! It worked on the rear, so the parking brake is contributing to that. Let's also check on the front. It would be fun if it works. And I think it does. Key takeaway, it worked. When you're doing these resets, make sure that you do not have the parking brake on because it's not allowing you to perform the reset. Vehicle check. I usually check my vehicle. Let's reset that one. 25 availability. As linked to the engine oil. If a vehicle check and engine oil change were carried out at the same time, perform the vehicle check reset. Yes, perform it. Engine oil is not 100% available. As the engine oil is linked, do I want to reset that one? Yes. Strangely enough, I actually done the oil change a few days ago and I've also used the Ceratec treatment. Continue. So right now, strange, we don't have. I was expecting to see also engine oil being reset. Let's reset it manually with the F1 menu. Vehicle information, vehicle status. This MUCAR is a little bit slower than the launch or the K10, but it still gets the job done. Engine oil is reset. Let's go for vehicle check to reset that one. Okay, by the looks of it, once you sort out your oil, only after that you're able to also reset the vehicle check. Overall, this was showcasing the fact that the MUCAR 892BT is able to help you along with the reset for all the servicing chapters, all the servicing issues that you can have on a F-Series BMW. Thank you for watching. Additional content available on the channel. Make sure to subscribe and join our live Q&As that you'll be able to know when they are happening based on the banner that is on the top of the channel. Hopefully I'm going to see you in the next stuff.